student studying in 9th class from JPHS Pedagorakol, Mandal Nekkonda district Warangal. I am telling in 28 states and capitals. Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Goa, Panaji, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tripura, Agartala, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, West Bengal, Kolkata, and 7 continents name: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia, and 5 ocean names: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Thank you.